Alright, good morning guys. The first thing I want to do this morning, it is Tuesday morning. It's a pretty nice morning out. I'm in shorts. I don't know if you can see that. But I'm in shorts already. Feels pretty good out. It's probably somewhere around 50 degrees. But I got a lot of mowing to do today. I want to take a look at this chainsaw. I got a lot of comments on the video yesterday about the chainsaw and about how maybe the blade's dull, maybe it's on backwards. The guard needs to come off. I need trousers. I need all this kind of stuff. And maybe I should have said it yesterday, and you guys probably figured it out by watching the video, I'm not that experienced on a chainsaw. I'm really not. It's been years since I've used one. So let's take a look at the chain here. It looks like it's a tad bit loose, a little bit. Not too bad, but it needs to be tightened up a little bit. I'm gonna take this thing off. I'm gonna turn the blade around, see if that doesn't make any difference. Turn around back and see if this makes any difference. Alright, so that didn't work. That didn't cut anything. So I think I actually had the blade on there right. Maybe it's just dull. I don't know. But I can't mess around with this anymore today. I got a lot of mowing to do. Can you guys believe it is the day before Thanksgiving and I'm off to mow? It's crazy. Crazy part is I'm gonna be mowing a little bit next week too. I got a call from a lady Monday and I wouldn't put a bid in on leaf cleanup. So I go over there. It's a pretty nice house. It's got a big yard, but there's like hardly any leaves on the ground, and she wants a leaf cleanup. So it's about 9 o'clock in the morning, and it's already 60 degrees. The high today is 66. It's supposed to be cloudy all day though. It's the day before Thanksgiving and I'm still mowing. I'll take it. You know, every time I think that I'm about done for the year, I think, well, I got this to do and this to do. I still got a lot to do. I'll be mowing into next week. I gave a bid on a cleanup job 2 days ago, and she called me this morning. She wants me to do it. And I got another lady that called me about another leaf cleanup job. I didn't answer the phone. She left me a message. I called her back. I left her a message. Usually in those circumstances, they don't call back, but it's been about a day, so I'm not guessing I'm going to hear from her again, but you never know. And there's another cleanup that I did last year. I'm pretty sure they're going to have me do it again. They're just waiting for all the leaves to fall. So still busy. Thankful to have the work this late in the year. I mean, it's going to be Thanksgiving tomorrow, and I'm still mowing, and I probably got 2 or 3 days worth of mowing left, and then a couple one day of, you know, a couple cleanups. So very thankful. And I still haven't heard on the bid on the landscape job, so you know, that could be coming up. I could be doing that one in December, middle of December maybe. That'd be awesome. Get some work in December. That would be sweet. So anyway, right now I'm headed to go pick up a check. I got to run to my bank, and then by the time I get home, it's going to be close to getting dark. Yeah, that's the bad thing about working this time of year, is it gets dark way sooner now, and usually I gotta wait. Usually I'm not getting started till about 10 now, and I'm done around 3 or 4. So you know, basically about half a day from what I'm used to doing in the middle of the summer. So I got an idea a while back from one of you guys, Spitfire Lawn Care, I think that's his name. Sorry if I messed that up, but he gave me an idea of posting everybody's pictures throughout the year. And I thought, well, that's a heck of an idea. So I'm going to take that idea and I'm going to run with it. I want to make a video of everybody's pictures, and even small little clips of videos, maybe 10 or 15 seconds throughout the year. And I want to put this video together, and I want to do like a tribute to everybody that watches and everybody that has been a part of my YouTube channel. So here's what I want you guys to do. I want you guys to email me your pictures. I want you to email me little video clips. Like I said, don't make them too long, 15 seconds, whatever. If you guys want to say your name, your channel, your business, that would be awesome. If you guys want to put text on your pictures, that would be awesome too. I thought this would be a cool way to kind of put an end to the season. So if you guys want to do that, email me your pictures. Email me like a short video of you, your name, your company, how your company did this year. Just something really short and sweet, and email them to me. And make sure you put in the subject line end of the year video. Let's call it that. Put in the subject line end of the year video, and I'm gonna put a deadline of 1 week. So next Wednesday night will be the last time. That's when I'm gonna start putting this thing together. So I want to see your stripes. I want to see your leaf cleanups. I want to see if you've been doing snow already. Send me some of those. Everything you guys have. Snow from last year. Everything, guys. I think this would be a really cool video for everybody to watch. Everybody gets to see everybody else's work, not just mine. Man, I'm really excited about this. I think it's going to be a really cool video. So like I said, email me your stuff. My email is in the description. I'll also put it on the screen somewhere on here, and then we'll go from there. Well, it's been a few weeks, but I'm finally going to put my Echo chainsaw together and see how this puppy works out.